This gaming beast just replaced my console? Dell G16 7630 review gets way too real. You ever feel like your gaming laptop is secretly working against you? Like, every time you boot up, it's either lagging, overheating, or begging for mercy mid-match. Your squad's yelling "where you at," while you're frozen in 720p shame. You've tried tweaking settings, upgrading RAM, selling your soul to frame rate gods, but nada. It's still like gaming with a brick and a hairdryer. You're not lazy or unfocused, you just don't have the right weapon. And you're tired. Tired of dropped frames, tired of rage quitting. Tired of being tired. Let's fix that before you throw your entire setup into the lake. Here's the ugly truth. Most gaming laptops are lying to you. They promise power, but give you panic. They talk refresh rates, but deliver choppy chaos. Meanwhile, deadlines stack up, your kill-to-death ratio tanks, and your once-pristine focus? Yeah, that's gone, dragged off by system errors and clunky thermal throttling. What was supposed to be your escape has become more stressful than your 9 to 5. Missed quests, missed Zoom meetings, missed opportunities, it's a mess. You deserve a rig that slaps stress in the face and gets you back in the game, mentally and digitally. Enter the Dell G16 7630. The i9 RTX 4070, 64GB DDR5 tank of laptops. This metallic nightshade beast doesn't stutter, it dominates. With a QHD plus 16-inch screen, 165Hz refresh rate, vapor chamber cooling, and direct graphics output for 4K external gaming, it's like strapping a rocket to your productivity and your play. One tap of the game shift key and boom, fan speeds go full beast mode while your CPU enters God tier. No more lag. No more excuses. Just silky smooth gameplay and buttery fast workflow. This is the final form your old laptop warned you about. What's in it for you besides the bragging rights? Try marathon sessions without migraines, thanks ComfortView Plus, intuitive controls with RGB flex, and a tactile keyboard that feels like typing on victory. This machine's not just built for games, it's built for war, creativity, and content domination. Run AAA titles, edit 8K videos, or multitask like a caffeinated octopus. It's sustainable, sleek, and ready to go toe-to-toe with your wildest ambitions. Wanna feel the power surge through your fingertips? Hit that link, because your future setup is already judging your current one. Thousands of gamers and creators are already leveling up, so why not you? Act fast, though, this beast isn't mass-produced. Inventory drops faster than your enemies in Warzone. And if you're wondering, is it worth it? Yes, absolutely. Dell's legacy, paired with Windows 11, means stability, performance, and future-proof greatness. Don't wait for another blue-screen surprise. Don't settle for last-gen regrets. Click, cop, and conquer. It's your game, your grind, your glory. Let the Dell G16 7630 be the upgrade that finally upgrades you.